Y'all, it's your boy Tom Bomb, and right now we talking about Soundwear clothing. That's right, Soundwear Streamline, where music plays from your clothes and every other product that we make here at Soundwear Streamline. So right now, for a limited time, we're selling these masks right here. But if you buy a shirt from Soundwear, you're gonna get a mask totally free. And when you scan these masks, let's just show you exactly what to do rather than talk about it. Go ahead and put it over the O of the mask. And then you're going to see that it went right ahead and it took me to the website Soundwear Streamline for a customer to make a purchase and buy a mask just like this one. So y'all know how the shirt works. When you go ahead and you put it up to the O of the shirt, it's going to go ahead and immediately play a video. That's Soundwear Streamline, y'all. So for a limited time, just like I said, if you order this shirt right now, we're going to throw a mask in there totally free.